How to transfer hosting a website to WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So in case if you have used hosting a website builder in order to create your website and you want to use WordPress now, then the only option available to you is that you will have to simply delete your website and build a new website from scratch using another CMS. But also make sure that you note it that a deleted website cannot be restored and the content will be lost permanently. So it's better to create backup. And also if you have an email service setup, then also create a backup for it, as deleting the website will delete all the stuff related to it. And in Edge panel, you can just simply go to the websites and there you will be able to find the option to delete a particular website. After that, you will have to add a new website to your hosting plan, and instead of hosting a website builder, you will have to choose WordPress this time. And then just simply create WordPress account and choose your preferred plugins and website template in order to insert the domain name that you have previously released by deleting the website. So this is the way, and these are the 6 ways or 6 steps you can use in order to transfer your site to WordPress.com. And for this, first step is that you download your XML file from the previous platform. So for that, just go to the tools and export, and after that you will be able to download the XML file. And after that, create an account on WordPress.com, then import the XML file. And for that, just simply open up your WordPress, and over here on the tools section you will be able to find the option of import, and just open this up. And after that, you will be able to import your XML file for your previous website, and this is how it will look like. You can simply import your file and also move your domain. Then you need to import your theme if you want to, otherwise you can use a new theme on your current WordPress account. And you can also add the plugins by going on to my site, then tools and plugins. It is basically saying that you can add plugins by going on to the plugin section, then add all the plugins that you had on your previous website. And this way you would be able to transfer your hosting a website to WordPress. And that's how you do it. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.